Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this magical trails, and for these trails I used component render that is new render in Niagara in 4.26. So let's check it out how I created this. So you can create this type of effect using event in any version of Niagara, but we have some new option in Niagara, so that is called component render. So I created this trail separately. If you see here, I have this separate trail and I can move this. And this is full effect, and I'm just spawning this full effect in another particle system. So you can just call any particle system in your new particle system, that is called component renderer, and it will take lots of other things you can use in that. It's not just to call particle system in that.